first look at this debate on the constitution that went on in the Rajya Sabha today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched a scathing attack on former Congress leaders, including the late former Prime Ministers Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi, and said that the constitutional amendments that they brought about were not about strengthening democracy but protecting those in power and curbing freedom of speech. In fact, the Rajya Sabha leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge then countered Nirmala Sitharaman's allegations against the Congress and said that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel himself wrote a letter to Jawaharlal Nehru stating that constitutional amendments are the only solution to pressing problems. Let's also listen in to what else did the finance minister say in the Rajya Sabha today.
A democratic country which prides itself even today about freedom of expression saw the first interim government coming up with a constitutional amendment which was to curb the freedom of speech of Indians. And that is within 1 year of adoption of the Constitution. So, let me say, sir, that is because the first Prime Minister of this country deplored press scrutiny of his government even as he publicly praised freedom of the press. There was no doubt about it. And he had scrutinized the amending bill himself before approving its introduction in the Parliament. In the Parliament, sir, it didn't go through smoothly at all.
सरदार पटेल जी ने 3 जुलाई 1950 को इस बारे में पंडित नेहरू को विस्तार से पत्र लिखकर संविधान संशोधन को ही समस्या का हल बताया. Amendment is the only remedy. This is suggested by सरदार पटेल and उनका भी अपमान कर रहे.
उसको ऑथेंटिकेट करके रखेंगे.
हाँ, सरदार पटेल ने अपने पत्र में कहा था, as you say, we have involved ourselves in so many legal and constitutional difficulties that we do not know how to overcome them. My own feeling is that very soon we shall have to sit down and consider constitutional amendment. ये किसने कहा? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. और उनको भी आप इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के नाम से सभी को इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.